Hey all, this is Mike from MC3D here in Canada. So today it's just a quick video to show you how to install the chain link system that I have created for the SparkX i7. And I basically created it because I did not like how the wire was flopping around. And I wanted to protect it a little bit more. So without further ado, here we go. Hi all, so this is Mike from MC3D and I am here with the chain link system that I built for the SparkX i7, and I've been testing it for the last couple of weeks and I have perfected it. Well, at least I think so. Now it's up to you to try. Now, I have made mine in 3 colors to represent Trinidad and Tobago, my country, but I mean, you guys can change the color as you want to. So I have made one with the PTFE holder, and there's also a version in there without this part, but it just has this frame here. This will go onto the extruder top, and this will go onto the stepper motor cover. Now, with this, I have made a little bit of a curve here in order for it, because if you notice, this is pretty much in line with this bar here. So I made it in a way where it will bring it just a little bit here to pass. All right. So we'll get to installing it and I'll show you how easy it is to install. So what I like to personally do is put all these together. Now in my case, I have 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and then white, black, white, and red. All right, so I'll show you guys how after I put it together. Now the links just go together like so. All right, so the links are all together. So what I like to do is place the links on this, on the wire itself. Now you want to leave maybe these out like that and just snap in the rest all the way, and it just snaps securely, you'll see. Right? So I like to leave a little bit of room there and a little bit of room there. So, and this slips in like so. Just give yourself a little bit of room. Bring it here. This will sit snug down in here. Snap that in. Give this just a little bit of a curve here. Now you got to make sure and you snap this in at the bottom, okay, securely, and then this will just snap in here like so. It's just a little bit of a curve. And what I like about this is that because when the printer is constantly moving, this wire is constantly moving, but this holds it in place here. And I find that it works better. And then you just snap this down. Boom, boom, boom. And there you go. All right, so one side is done. The next side, however, I got this little thing on Creality Print. It's really, I think it's called the Miracle PTFE tube remover or something, but it's really good. So you just click that. Right, so you remove all of it. All right, so just my suggestion, I have the machine off. I just move this to the bottom, right? So it gives me a little bit more place. Now I have OCD, so I like to have mine, you know, everything perfectly aligned, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just go here. So these ones, you know, you just slide them in there, in line. All right, so once you have them in, just push them through. All right, and this here goes like that. Maybe you might want to sleeve those a little bit. Just pop in your tubes. Or you could bring this up a bit like this. Pop your tubes in. Slide this down. So you see it fits nice and snug right over here. And then you snip this cable inside here like that. And this is nice and snug, you see, so it doesn't move. And then you clip this here. And there you go. Everything snaps together. And now you have that chain link. And then there's this little clip here that goes right at the end here. Boom. So there you go, guys. Very easy install. Takes less than 5 minutes. But it does take a while to print. Now I have included all versions on all tables, multiple tables. If you just want to do one color, one color, one color. And then you have the STL. You can modify it however you want. So there you go, guys. So in addition to my version of the CFS Lite top mount, I have this, and now I have this, and I will be coming out with some more accessories shortly. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.